Hi, it's Mimi from Living Well Kitchen, and today I'm making crawfish dip. Melt the butter in the skillet, then add the bell peppers and green onions. You can also use regular onions or a different color bell pepper in place of the green bell pepper and green onions here. Once these have softened slightly, we'll add the spices and garlic. If you don't have any fresh garlic, just use powdered garlic. Stir this all in. Then add the sliced pimentos. You can also use diced, just make sure they're drained. Let that cook for a second. Then add the cream cheese. Cook until the cream cheese melts into the vegetables, or almost until. I think that looks good enough for now. Then add in your crawfish. For the crawfish, add defrosted, frozen, peeled crawfish. Make sure you drain it. You'll notice that the mixture is pretty thick, so we're gonna add some lemon juice to make it thinner. Preferably fresh, but I've got bottom. Can't win them all. Stir that in. So I like mine a little bit thinner, so I'm gonna add a little extra water. You can also add more lemon juice, it's up to you. Cook that in. Before I serve it, I like to do a quick taste, and then we can add anything if we need to. That's really good. It's now the consistency that I like, so I'm gonna transfer it to a serving dish. And then for a little added color, you can sprinkle with green onions, parsley, cilantro, whatever you have in your kitchen will do. Of course, now we have to taste it. I love how there's so much crawfish in here. Cheesy, and it's a little bit spicy. Good. You can serve it with sliced vegetables, tortilla chips, pita chips, crackers, anything works. Come on, sugar, let's melt. We're making crawfish dip. That's what we're making. Once you've sauteed so many cars. Okay, I get it. You're out there, you're on the road. You got your car loud, thank you. I think this is cilantro. I don't even know. It will get a little bit thicker as it cools. You can serve it in the skillet if you want, but I feel like the skillet's just a little too big and it's not very pretty. So I'm gonna transfer it to a serving dish. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and share.